Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be solving another SQL problem number 1204, last person to fit in the bus. Let's take a look at the problem statement. We are given a table called Q. This table has 4 columns: person ID, person name, weight, and turn. Person ID column contains unique values. This table has the information about all people waiting for a bus. The person ID and turn columns will contain all numbers from 1 to n, where n is the number of rows in the table. Turn determines the order of which the people will board the bus, where turn equals to 1 denotes the first person to board, and turn equals to n denotes the last person to board. Weight is the weight of the person in kilograms. There is a queue of people waiting to board a bus. However, the bus has a weight limit of 1,000 kilograms, so there may be some people who cannot board. So our task is to find the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. The test cases are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limits. Okay, so let's take a look at the example in this Q table. As you can see here, turn Alice is the first one in line to board a bus. So Alice, and then Alex, and then John, then Mary, Bob, and lastly Winston. So we have to find who is the last person can board the bus. So we will find this cumulative sum of these people's weight. So it's going to be, so if Alice weight 250 kilograms plus the next one 350, so that's going to be 600. So we have 400 kilograms left. And looking at John, he weighs 400, so the total reaches 1,000 weight limit of the bus. So looks like John will be the last person that can board the bus, and therefore the output here we see the person name is John, and the explanation I just explained, and John is the last person that can board the bus. So let's solve this problem. Like I said earlier, we are going to find the cumulative sum of these people's weight. So in order to do that, we are going to use some window function. First, let's select all the columns from Q table. I'm going to do select let's return the turn first, and then person ID, person name, weight, and the total weight, which is the cumulative sum. We use a sum window function. So we're going to get the sum of weight. We are not going to partition by any columns, but we need to order by turn, and we call this column total weight. We select all those columns from Q table. Alright, so let's run this real quick. Alright, so here the turn is ordered in ascending order, and the total weight is the cumulative sum of these people's weight. So we have Alice 250, we add Alex's weight to Alice's weight, so it's going to be 600, and then we add John's weight to this sum. This total weight is going to be 1,000. So John should be returned as the last person who can board the bus, and this is the table that we need, right? So I will turn this into a subquery. We are going to select from this table. So this is another case where you can either use CTE, or this is a simple case. I'm gonna use this as a subquery. I'm gonna select star for now, even though the expected output should return person name only, but I'm gonna select star from, and we're gonna give this subquery and alias, and I will call this table weight. You can name however you want, and then we only return the weight of people that the cumulative weight for all of them is less or equal than 1,000. So it's gonna be where total weight is less or equal than 1,000, right? Let's run that first. We should see 3 people, Alice, Alex, and John, but we only need the last person. So I'm going to order total weight in descending order, and we only select the first one, limit 1. So let's run that. Oh, it's ordered by. So as you can see here, in the output we only see 1 row, but we only need to return the person name column, right? And let's run that. All right, so the output is the same as the expected output. Let's submit that and make sure that we pass all the test cases. Right, so runtime 1587 milliseconds beats 62.58% of users with MySQL. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I see you in another video.